Hey guys, if you're running into this problem when you're trying to install an app on your Mac, don't worry about it. It's a really easy way to get around this. Just click on OK for now, and then what we're gonna look for is right here your system preferences. If you don't see them down here below, system preferences, just go into your spotlight search. That's your top right hand side of your Mac. So that's up here. See this icon? Just click on it, and then we're just gonna type in system preferences. So that should come up. We're gonna open it up. Once we have system preferences opened up, all we have to do in order to make this work is just select this option right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our sixth option from the top where it says security and privacy. Let's just click right there, and then this window should pop up where you guys will see these two options. So before, with older Macs, we had 3 options. And at this point, you guys would just tap on the third option. With newer Macs, newer macOS, there's only 2 options. And right here, you will see right away, it tells you open anyway. And make sure you guys have selected the second option right here. If it's grayed out like this, that just means you guys have to unlock this. So on the bottom left-hand side, there's this lock. Just click right there to unlock it. So you should see something like this popping up. It's gonna ask you for your password if you guys have one for your Mac. Just click on unlock. Once it's unlocked, you will see that you guys can switch from here to here. All right, so just select the second option and leave it like that, and then just click on open anyway. And click on open again. And there you go. The software has been installed. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.